Hello everybody, welcome back to Skillway. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to add transitions in Premiere Pro. So let's start the video. At first go to the Effects panel. If you don't see it, click Window, then Effects. Here you will see some options. Now expand Video Transitions. You'll find categories like Dissolve, Slide, Wave and more. Drag your chosen transition and drop it between two clips on the timeline. Then you will see the transition appear as a small rectangle. To make it longer or shorter, drag the edges of the transition in the timeline. You can also click on it and adjust the settings in the Effect Controls panel. And that's it, you have added a transition in Premiere Pro. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more editing tips.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.